First line. My first day at school was very exciting and memorable. Second line. I woke up early and wore my new school uniform. Third line. My parents dropped me at the school gate. Fourth line. At first, I felt a little nervous and shy. Fifth line. My teacher welcomed me with a warm smile. Sixth line. I made some new friends in my class. Seventh line. We sang songs and played fun games. Eighth line. The classroom was colorful and full of charts. Ninth line. By the end of the day, I felt happy and comfortable. 10th line. It was a wonderful start to my school life.